Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Botim account. So this is a Botim account removal guide. So first we're going to go to our Botim app, which should be downloaded from the App Store. As you can see, we're already logged in. So we're going to click on All and on our profile. Then you're going to click on Account. Then click on Manage My Account. Then as you can see, there is the Delete My Account option. So you're going to click on it. So once it loads, it's going to ask you why you're deleting your account. So you could insert any of this. Then you're going to click on Delete My Account. After that, it's going to ask you your phone number with which you used this account. So you're going to write your phone number, which you used to set up this account, as I said. Then you're going to click on OK. So as you can see, your account has been deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.